Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super big but also convenient to have power station that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say that this thing, number one, if you're taking this with you to camping, fishing, if you're going out on a trip, or if you have this at home just for situations like a power outage or something like that, this thing is super powerful. It also packs a tremendous amount of power that goes from 1650 watts peaking 2200 watts. And also this one is PO4, means that it's going to give you a really fast charge. So for example, this is the power cable that you're going to put in your house and on the power outlet right here. And that one charges this device fully charged in 70 minutes. So that's actually, I want to say that it's super fast. But also this one, I want to say that it's quite heavy. It packs power, but also translates into weight. It is a little bit heavy. I'm going to just like try to lift it with this bad hand right here. But you can see that it comes with two handles. And this one, it is heavy. I do have to say and warn you that it's a heavy one. But again, weight translates into power. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but I do like that comes right here with the instruction manuals. It also comes with an app that you can download and use the app to monitor how much power you have remaining, what's the status of all the devices, and of course have that on the go as well. If you leave this charging at home or charging some other devices at home, if you had a power outage and your freezer is powered on this one, it's just like plug on this one, you can monitor that one from home. I mean, outside your home actually with the app, which I believe is pretty cool. I can't download the app because I'm using my phone right there, but comes with the QR code on the back and actually this one right here. So you will be able to download it super easy and connect it to this one. I also like that comes with this one, this cable right here, that you can actually use it in your car in case that you don't have one of those like AC power outlets. I have one in my truck and I tried this one and it charges perfectly. But if not, it comes with this cable that you will be able to use in your car as well. I want to say, let's just take a closer look now. So right here in the back, you're going to find the power outlet right here to put the one that goes to your house. You're going to find a reset button and this one that you can put to your car, or also a solar panel. So having that chance to put that on a solar panel is also a pretty good one. So in here, you're going to find the on and off button with the display that's going to tell you the percentage that you have left, as well as the hours, and of course, how much watts you're giving to the devices. In here, with also an on and off button, you're going to have two USB-Cs for 100 watts, and you also going to find 3 USB-As with 18 watts. So these are going to give you fast charge capabilities. Also, you're going to find the 12 volt over here, which I think is pretty convenient to have. A flashlight in case that you need a light as well, which I think is super convenient too. And these are the most powerful ones. These are going to be 3 AC 120 volts, 1650 watts. So you can actually plug any appliances. You can put a TV, you can put a lamp, you can put a coffee maker, you can put many things in these ones that are super fast. Let me actually plug some. So I have a phone over here. I'm gonna plug it in one of these ports right here, and you're gonna see that it's charging right away, already charging with fast charging capabilities. And also let me plug this one as well. You're gonna see that this one are so nice to have. So this one, you can see that is already working. I'm gonna just to boil some water, and it works like every other thing. But the best thing is that this one, you can see that it's going to tell you the percentage and how many watts is given to the appliances, and also the amount of hours. So that's the best thing, that's going to tell you the amount of hours. And remember that you can also use the app to monitor the amount of hours and the amount of power left. You can see that this one is already boiling, making some noise as well, while the phone is also charging. So that's actually insane. So I have to say that this one is one of those that you may need to have in your house, or if you like to go out camping or fishing or hiking and just going out on trips with the family, or taking this one to friends and family houses to host a party or going out on the beach or things like that. This one is a must-have. You can see that this one keeps boiling. It's compact but heavy. Remember that it's heavy, but of course it's tiny but mighty. This thing is super powerful, packs some quite power with all the accessories right there, with the cables, the app, the instruction manuals, everything you need. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This is Boiling. See you soon.